So hi guys, I'm all ready to leave for my bus for ISBT Kashmiri Gate. Like super excited. I seriously need someone to pinch me right now to let me know that I've really started my solo trip, and I'm so sleepy. I don't know why. It's just 7:30. Hi guys, so I'm finally at my Zostel hotel room. So our bus left us at 7 a.m. On the bus station, and from there I had a walk, which was like 5-7 minutes from the bus station to Zostel. Now the check-in start at 12 p.m. So again we had a huge window, 7 to 12, so I had a huge window to do the check-in. So also it was too cloudy. Birbiling today is like extremely cloudy. So the person at the reception desk suggested that we do the paragliding today itself. And oh yeah, I also met three people on the bus, and finally I could talk to some people. I haven't stayed that silent for this long. So I am shooting this piece of my video from my hostel room balcony, and I'm like super duper excited to show you guys the room. I think we should start the room tour now, so come along with me. I'll take you for the room tour. Before the room tour, I also wanted to tell you guys that I'm already done with my paragliding, and it was amazing, out of this world kind of experience. No doubt, it's beautiful, and it is not describable in words. Exactly, completely, nobody can do justice to it. That kind of experience it was. Since the it's cloudy outside, so we weren't able to have a flight of very long. It was just like 15 minutes flight, and it was all arranged by Zostel. The budget was 2000 rupees. We got the videos and the flight, and we paid 200 rupees extra for photographs, which the person at the landing site was already clicking for us. So we have various photographs of us clicked by the DSLR he was having. So the point is that we are already sorted with our paragliding, and after the paragliding, we went to Silver Linings to have some breakfast, and then we came into our room. We checked in at around 1 p.m. after having a breakfast. So now a quick room tour, and I must say I'm impressed with Zostel rooms. So this happens to be the vibe right outside my dorm room. I've taken a 4 dorm room, women's only. So you can take it as per your comfort level. You can clearly see the mountains there, right behind. Like waking up to this kind of scenery is like a dream, certainly. And this fresh air, I mean, Delhiites are going to cherish this. Literally, it's a treasure for us, this fresh air. And the room is pretty spacious. I think it's just 2 people in this 4 people's room. It's me. I've booked this room, and there's another girl because I see her baggage. Haven't seen her yet, but this is the room. It has like 4 beds, 2 on the top and 2 at the bottom. So I'm there, right there, 6 number. So I've unpacked a little bit, had a bit of food. The room has a very spacious this almirah, like you can see, with the numbers written on it, 1, 2, 4 and 5. God knows why they have missed 3. So sorry. The spacious almirah, spacious beds with really warm blankets, nice puffed up pillows, charging points, reading lights, and I must tell you that they have such cute stickers on the wall, like this one. All of these stickers are catching up my fancy. Like leave only your hearts and minds turned on and not lights. Moving forward, you can see a sink right there, with a glass of there's a glass for water, and there's a mirror. Here we have a bathroom. I'm not going to switch on the lights right now, but now I will, because I just remembered I have to show you something. All basic amenities. Best part is they have a mop, so I can clean it if I want to. Then there is this sticker. This sticker can't save water, but you can. So again, nice touch. And this is my favorite touch. Save yourself from a slip and drop. Don't be lazy and use that mop. So poetic as well. So very basic bathroom. So nobody needs anything more than this. Fresh thoughts and wet towels shouldn't be left behind. Again, a very nice sticker. Really lovely. Now, the best part of the room, we are coming on to that, and that is this nice recreational park. You can see those chairs, plastic chairs, recliner plastic chairs, and there is just greenery outside and a glimpse of some mountains right behind all this forest area. And I mean, it's so clean, it's so beautiful. I could sit here for hours and think about nothing. Seriously. So guys, I'm like already done and dusted with my paragliding. We came in the morning and the Zostel people provided us with a cab to take us to the cliff top at 9 a.m. itself, because they were worried that it's going to rain either tomorrow or maybe today. So we were also very excited. So we went to the paragliding before checking in fact. Now that I've shared with you the room tour, I'll be sharing my experience of paragliding. So it was like a 1 hour drive from Zostel to the cliff top, which was extremely nauseating. There were picturesque views all over the way. In every 10 minutes, I felt like clicking a photograph, sitting on those benches. But frankly, I hadn't had anything, but still I felt like I am going to puke anytime soon, because it's a very zigzag way. So if you have either motion sickness or you feel sick in the hill station, then this 1 hour is going to be a heck of an hour for you. But it was all worth it. I mean, when we went for paragliding, it was amazing. The views, the experience, the height, the look, everything of that experience is something I cannot simply put it into words. I've made a video with a GoPro which my paraglider was carrying the whole time. I was like so scared. I had made up my mind that I want to do stunts once I'm riding, because YOLO, you know. But then literally I was petrified of doing any stunt. I was like, भैया सीधा सीधा चलाओ. So I did not do any stunts. It was just the landing part, and also it's so distracting. I'm sitting right in front of my dorm's door, and the beautiful scenery is just so distracting. The colors, the cloudiness. I'll just show it to you what I am seeing. Wait a minute. So guys, this is how the view right out of my room looks like. Who wants to get back to the hustle bustle of that city? Truly said, the money can just fill your, oh my god, such sound of good. So I was at, money can only fill your pockets. These adventures, these experiences are forever. Seriously, I am so glad that I could do this. I could